you beautiful people. We are running errands again today, and we are currently at Harbor Freight. Now, the funny thing about this Harbor Freight is that it used to be a Big Lots until Big Lots filed for bankruptcy. So we're going inside. I got Louise with me today. Say hi.
Hi.
So we're going inside to just check the place out because I hadn't been in here to see how. And they are hiring. Maybe I should come in here. Hello. Oh, it's got air conditioning. Which way do we go?
I don't know.
I've never been in a Harbor Freight before.
I have. Let's go this way.
All right. All right.
I have. I've been in the one out there. There's actually 3 now. I think in Bakersfield. There's one on White Lane.
Yep.
There's one on Rosedale.
Uh-huh.
And then this one.
This is the newest one I know of.
It is.
And I have never seen so many drills in my life. Drills and bits. And holy smokes. Yeah, I'm just kind of amazed.
Yeah, he has never been in one, so. All right.
This is some crazy stuff. We got some, this must be saws here, or at least, or something. I don't know, what are these? Belt sanders. Yeah, that would make more sense. These are belt sanders. And then the drywall sander. I'm just, this is kind of like your one-stop shop for all the stuff you need to do-it-yourselfers. More sanders, or what I like to call grinders, polishers, all the different foams, workshop blowers. Wow, there's.
Yeah, definitely they're off on the ground. Okay. No, they can't.
Huh?
I like that big light.
Oh, yeah. One of those, like, used to have one of those when I was out delivering it in the Bay Area. And there was, like, you know, it was great because I could, if I needed to, I could just shine on the door or see if I could find the address and not get out of the car.
Right?
Luis was telling me she found her new Halloween costume.
Yep.
A disposable protection suit. You wear it once, you get rid of it.
Right?
Earmuffs, knee pads. Over here we got more grinders. I used to work on some of these back in the day when I worked a physical job, and respirators, neck gaiters. You know, there are some places they won't allow you to wear a neck gaiter. You have to have a mask.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Like you go to some places, like you put on your mask, you put on the gaiter, and they won't let you wear that. You gotta get a mask, get an actual mask.
These are bad for people with asthma. They say are better for you, but that's so thin. I think this would protect you more than for the asthma.
All these safety glasses, the cheap ones too.
Yep.
Files and saws and all kinds of more stuff here. Some of the stuff I never worked with. Tape measures. If you want to look for a tape measure, go to Harbor Freight. Go to Harbor Freight. Come back here, all the different gloves and stuff. Different pry bars, crowbars, mallets, sledgehammers, all the stuff you need to pound stuff with. Big hammers. Big hammers, belts, clamps. More clamps.
My earring?
C-clamp.
It's an earring.
Drill press. I haven't seen one of these in ages. Haven't needed to wear one, or work on one. Excuse me. Welding masks, helmets.
Oh, I like
That was
this one.
that was one of the things. Yeah, I love that. That was one of the things I had to learn back in college, was welding. I didn't have to do a lot of welding, thank God, but I did my fair share. It's tough work. I got a lot of respect for those welders out there. They put in a good day's pay for a good day's work, I mean, I tell you. What are you doing?
I'm playing with stuff. I love hardware stores.
Obviously. These aren't just toolboxes. These are like walls. This is like you put on your wall. You put all your tools in the... Look inside. Okay, I will look inside. Yeah. It's just... This is where like the serious person who like has all the different kind of tools for everything. Me, I'm just a simple, I got one toolbox with one little set that I just need to use whenever I need to use it. And I know a lot of you are like, well, Goose, what if you need to work on such and such? And it's like, yeah, I'll usually either find that tool or buy it. There's a reason why I like to pay people to do certain stuff around my house, because I don't want to be the one to screw it up. I've heard too many stories of DIY disasters. I don't want to be that dude that does it. And, oh my gosh, you just ruined our house.
I need to get a metric out of that.
Got some
I want
sockets and wrenches and pliers and needle nose pliers and cable snips. My gosh, that thing is huge.
You only need one of these because you just change the heads.
Good grief.
There's 5 heads.
Yeah. We get some of the smaller toolboxes. I don't even know if you can call them toolboxes. They just sit on alongside your wall. All kinds of screwdrivers down this wall. All kinds of wrenches down this aisle. Oh my gosh. I tell you, it takes a lot. I tell you, I have a lot of respect for men who like have all his tools and keep them in pristine condition. Well, you know what I mean? Work with them, work on them. They have every wrench for every job they need to have. Me, I'm just looking for the one wrench I can use just to put the bed together. You know what I'm saying? Again, I'm not one of these guys that's very, I'd say, mechanically inclined. It's something I got to work on. I mean, I know I got to do more and more stuff, but I just get to. I was been so busy that I let other guys who are really good at it do it, and I pay them as best I can for it. So, but this is some impressive stuff. Sprockets, socket wrenches. Got some Bauer shop backs here. More shop backs down there. Looks like we got a lot of the painting stuff over here. This is just gonna be more like my speed. I don't mind, you know, putting in like a little bit of stuff like on the inside, like doing some painting or stuff if I have to, or when I'm going to do it. Hoses, hopefully with a garden. Maybe not, who knows. But air compressors are over here. This is, you know. So I think this is the first time I've ever actually seen an ammo can. An ammo can for sale. But they got them here to store your ammo. I guess it's a good thing to keep them, you know, keep them away from everything. Here's your portable generators. Cords are here. More generators. These are big. More stuff down here. Looks like these are, oh, foldable solar panels. Nice. Foldable solar panels. These are more generators back here. Mowers, rakes and shovels and stuff. All the gardening stuff back here. Your all-terrain folding wagon. And we got one of these. We got one, but this one, ours is bigger than this one. Chairs. A lot of camping stuff back here, possibly. Let's go this way. See what they got over here. Oh, got LED lighting over here. More gardening stuff here. Blowers, weed whackers. Stuff that I'm probably going to need the next few months to take care of my lawns. I wonder if they got sprinklers here. Lights. More lights. A lot of lights. And buckets. You can find buckets almost in every aisle. So, if you're looking for a big red bucket, come to Harbor Freight. Batteries over here. Dollies, and I mean the ones that carry stuff, not the ones that you squeeze and they go pee. More dollies.
That's the heavy duty dolly.
Yeah, these are heavy, 1,000-pound dollies. 1,000-pound capacity heavy duty hand truck. That's when you're like hauling the big stuff on a little thing.
That's this one too, yeah.
Jeez. More lights are back here, cables are back here. Storage, you got your moving blankets. Wheels for, I think wheels for the dollies, I guess.
Yeah, they are.
I didn't think they sold the wheels separately.
If they need to come buy new ones because they popped you.
Which would be interesting because if you have like a go-kart or something you're putting together, just get the wheels.
And like if you have a bike tube that you need fixed,
Yeah.
this stuff is good. Or a tire.
Slime.
Mm-hmm.
Slime tire lubricant. You're looking for a small safe, they got them here. Locks, all kinds of good security stuff. Oh, I think I'm in trouble. Oh, the alarm went off, so I don't know if it's me or if it's somebody else, but I always err on the side of, yeah, I did something, I got in trouble. Found this fire resistant bag for you to put all your valuable documents and stuff alongside all the security cameras and security lights you're taking.
This is good for your door at the house, Casey, Jamie.
Yeah. I don't know what these are for. Oh, these are like
Tarps.
tarps. That's what these are. Tarps. Got more tools back here.
Bungee cord.
Oh, bungee cords.
And strap.
Yeah. All the straps and hitches. Louise was playing with some of the hitches and straps here. Yeah, some of the hitches for your trucks.
Have a clip on it.
Cindy was asking me the other day, she goes, why? She was laughing, she goes, why are there like 3 on one hitch? And I said, because if you're towing something that doesn't quite have the right size,
Maybe
you
the
just switch it
front,
to the
yeah.
one that's the right size. She goes, oh, that makes sense.
Yep.
All the functional taillights. I didn't realize you get taillights here.
They even have keys with locks on them for your hitches.
Wow. That's wow. All right, so that was pretty cool. I've never been in a Harbor Freight before, so that's a new experience for me. I don't know if you've ever been in one before.
Yes, I have.
So,
I've been in 2 of them. This is my 3rd one.
This is the 3rd one. So I learned that if I need something for the house, I can find it here. And probably at a pretty good price too. So,
Yes.
but yeah, it was pretty cool. I mean, like I said, it used to be a big lot, so I was kind of interested to see what one, what Harbor Freight looked like, and B, how it all, you know, took care of all the stuff that was already big lots that just transferred it over. So it's pretty interesting. If you want to check us out anywhere else, just go down to the description below and hit linktree.com/travelbynature. There you'll find all our socials for our TikTok, our Instagram, merch store, anything else we got going on right now for the channel. In fact, I'm going to be getting out hopefully some new merch by this weekend, so you'll have a chance to see. We'll get our end of summer stuff leading into our Halloween stuff. So I'm excited about that. I think I got like 5 items I'm going to be rolling out for Halloween, little by little. If you want to help out the video, the channel, give us a big like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell for notifications so you always know when new videos are uploaded. Share it out to everyone you know so you know what we're doing out here, and leave us a comment because it makes us smile. But from here at the Harbor Freight, over here, what is this street? I don't know.
It's in East Bakersfield.
The East Bakersfield Mall, I think is what it's called. I'm Goose.
I'm Louise.
And we are Travel by Nature, and thank you for watching.